Alright, good day guys, Service Guy is back again. Yeah, so I'm on this beautiful trade. So I called the trade in my Telegram channel. So before I get into the purpose of the video of today, sorry about the background noise, it's raining here. Yeah, so let me just show you. So I'm on 3 trades. Yeah, so one is currently floating a loss right now. So we're actually in profit before. So I guess it just spiked not quite long. So this is the boom 300. This is the boom 500. So we're looking to sell and take our profits just within that side. Then for the crash 1000, okay, so we just dropped now, so might probably hit our we just wanted to scalp, might probably hit our stop loss, but notwithstanding we are good with this trade. This trade is really doing well, this trade, and they were looking at taking, you know, the whole of this, we're looking at taking the whole of this, okay, at least to that side. That's what we're looking at. So looking at price getting into that zone, into that level right there. So anyways, that's not the purpose of this video. So but quickly, let me just show you in my Telegram channel. Let's see what we have there. So you can see that I sent, today is May 11, so today I've sent a lot of setups today. Yeah, a lot of setups today, May 11, as you can see. So this is when we enter the trade. So in case you want to join the Telegram on the channel to get free signals, you are most welcome. As you can see, I drop updates and updates and updates. You can see that sell. So I've actually been selling boom 300 since morning. Okay, so as guys you can see, and also boom 500. Yeah, so you can see we dropped the trade signal. Yeah, so this was the crash 1000 trade, but now in a loss right now. Yeah, it's now floating a loss. This is when I dropped the trade. Yeah, so but that's not an issue anyway. It's not an issue because we are still good with the other 2 trades. You understand? We are still good with the other 2 trades. So let's go into the purpose of this video now. Today what I basically want to bring to you guys, bring to the table today is it's quite, you know, quite interesting, and what I want to discuss with you guys is something that you probably haven't seen on YouTube, or probably maybe, you know, I don't think you have seen it on YouTube. So basically what I'm going to do now is just like the title of this video said, is how to spot a, you know, how to spot a divergence without using an indicator. So I just thought that I should just bring this, you know, just to share the knowledge that I have. So so let's go. So basically, as you can see, I have no indicator on my chart. So what I'm going to do right now is that so along the line we'll be hiding the indicator and showing you the indicator. Just follow through so you get what I'm trying to say. So basically what we're trying to do now is how to spot a regular divergence without the use of indicator. So that means you don't need to rely on indicator. You know, sometimes indicator lag, they don't show you the, you know, they don't show you the entry on time for those of you that use divergence as your confluence. So in this video I'm going to explain, you know, better how to you know, to spot it with your own eye. You have to train your eye to spot divergence, okay, even while it is happening or about to happen. How you know this is a divergence even without the indicator. So let me just show you guys. It's very simple. So this works. For now I'm just going to discuss the regular divergence. So for the regular divergence, that regular divergence is when let me just put this like this. Okay, so regular divergence is when we have for the, you know, we have, this is the main chart. Okay, when the main chart makes something like this, you know, like a higher high, you know, but the indicator, like probably a momentum indicator like RSI, you know, MACD and so on and so forth, make or maybe oscillator make a lower high. I don't know, let me draw it again so you guys you understand what I'm trying to say. For those who don't understand, so we have a higher high, okay, on the main chart. Then the indicator window now makes something like a lower high. You can see this is just, it's a bearish divergence, okay, for a sell. Then an example of that's just a regular divergence for a sell, bearish example. Then for a bullish example is when you have on the main chart you have something like this, okay, you understand, like lower low. But sorry about the noise in the background, it's really raining here. Then for the indicator, in the indicator now makes like a higher, you know, low. This is also a divergence. So that is just an example of a regular divergence. Okay, there's also hidden divergence. Hidden divergence is just the opposite, whereby you have something like the main charts. We have on the main charts we have price making, you know, lower high. You get it. Then for the indicator now makes something like the higher high. You understand? So this is still a bearish example. Okay, then for the bullish example of the hidden divergence is when the indicator the main chart makes higher high, higher low, then the indicator makes a lower low. This is still a divergence, but it is hidden divergence. So basically what I'm bringing to your table now is just for the regular divergence. Okay, just for regular divergence. So meanwhile, let me please check what is happening to my trade right now. Okay, so we are still good. So basically, so it's just for just for the regular divergence. So how do we spot it? So I would like to use a clean chart. So let me just open another window right here. So I'd like to use a clean chart. Let me open another window and let me delete all this. Okay, all right, now so how do we spot? So by the way, the crash 1000 is still, you know, they were still in a little bit of drawdown, but we're still good. Anyways, let's still hold and see what comes out of it. All right, so how do we spot? So let me use the boom 300 as an example. So how do we spot a regular divergence? Now what I'm looking for is let me talk about a sell. Okay, for a regular divergence for a sell. So how do we want to spot? So how do we want to spot? It's very simple. What we want to be looking for is the situation or the case whereby price make a, because I'm seeing one right here right now, price make a you know, a nice, let's say for a sell, we want to sell. Okay, divergence for a sell, price makes a nice bullish move up whereby you can barely find red candles, but you can see that okay, the bullish momentum was strong, and price, you know, just notice where price started buying from. Okay, somewhere around here, I don't mean here, somewhere around here now. Okay, it have this push up to the upside. Now price retraced back but didn't come to that low where price actually pushed up from. Okay, then what did price do? Price now broke through that high, then begin to return back as if it want to close into that high, below that high. Let me explain it again. Like we have this bullish run, okay, this nice bullish run. You just take note of where the bullish run started from. Okay, this bullish momentum. Then we have a pullback. Okay, now that pullback should just get to maybe 50% of this, you know, initial move. Okay, but the main goal is that this pullback should not get to this low. Okay, should not get anywhere close to this low. Now price now went up again, okay, with a nice move, okay, and broke this, you know, the high at which it started coming from. What I mean is 1, 2, 3. It's not just about that, it's about the move right here. The move right here is what will actually initiate the divergence. This move right here and this move at the top. So now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to let me put my MACD on the charts. Okay, MACD, or I should use the RSI. So if I put the MACD on the chart, or probably the RSI, you guys will see what I'm talking about. So let me pinch in, or let me just use let's step lower to lower time frame, because sometimes it doesn't show, depends on the time frame. Okay, let me step slice the 30 minutes. Let me see. Okay, so let me use the RSI so it can show better. Okay, now I would like to use the RSI. Let's just use RSI 5. Okay, for example, let me use RSI 5. So notice what happened there. Notice what happened right here. So look at, you can see what I was explaining. Let me zoom in again. You can see we have this bullish move to the upside. This was where it started coming from. Price retraced, price closed, it went back up, okay, but didn't go further, too far, and close or begin to pull back into that same, okay, that's high that it went. The main thing is this move. This move is very important. That is what is actually causing divergence here. Now notice what happened on the indicator window. Can you see that? Can you see a price forming a lower high? Why this is making a higher high? So once you just notice this move and this move, and you see price doing this and price started to slow down within this side, started to close back, you don't even need to depend on your indicator to know that that is a divergence that is about to happen. In the indicator will only show you when it is late, you understand? So but you can actually spot it as early as possible just with the naked chart. So let me show you more examples. Let me delete this. I'm going to hide this right now. So let's see more examples on the chart where we could possibly have had a divergence. Okay, so let's see. I'll just take a few examples so you guys will understand what I'm talking about. You understand? Okay, so let's just check. So right here there would have been a divergence probably on the lower time frame. Yeah, this is for a buy example. Now look at this sell, this huge sell. You can see this huge sell, right? You can see this huge sell, right? Now what happened to price right here? There was a pause right now. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame so you guys should understand better. Now look at this huge sell. Now there was a pause right here, right? Price retraced back, right, but did not get to this high. It is this move that is very important. Please sorry about the noise in the background. It's raining here. This move right here is that important. This is what we actually initiate the divergence. Once you see this move and you see price pull back, sometimes it can pull back to 50% of it also, but did not get to this high where price started coming from. Then price fell again, then went back up. It did not go that far when it fell, but went back up immediately, started going back again. Okay, and once price starts closing in between somewhere like this level right here, okay, like this level, just know that, oh, it seems there's a divergence that is about to happen right here. So we're going to check again with our indicator and let's see. So guys, can you see that? Take a look at this. We have this lower lows and look at what the RSI did at that spot. This is the low, right? Yeah, so you can see higher low. Can you see what I'm talking about? You see that? You see that? So immediately you start spotting, let me hide it again. So immediately you start spotting it right here. You started spotting it like this. At this moment you saw price, you know, with this move first, then price went back up and you saw price breaking, but didn't really go that far, then started returning back. Right from here you should have even taken your entry or something, and you should have taken this nice buy trade to the upside. Can you see that? So rather than waiting for your indicator to show you the divergence when price has gone far, you can actually spot it with your eye. Let me show you one more example right here for the crash example. So okay, now for me right here, I'm actually seeing another divergence right now. So we have, look at this move. Okay, it works any time frame, guys. Look at from this move, you can see this bullish move, right? Now price started to slow down. Okay, then it broke this high. Okay, it broke this high, then immediately it broke that high and it started going down a little bit. It should have already know that, oh, this is a divergence that's about to happen. So how do we know? So let's check again. Let's check. So we're going to look at this high and this high. So let's check. Let me use the this thing. You notice that this is what happened, right? So let's check if that is true. Okay, you can see that this is on the 15 minutes time frame. That's why it's not that obvious. So this high and this high, notice it, this high. Okay, look at the indicator, you can see it's sloping down on this high, but here was going higher. So this is a divergence. You can see that. So let's hide it again. Let me just show you another good example. Okay, and let me just probably let's go to the higher time frame so we can see a better one. Yeah, so you can see a better one. Sometimes even the price on the chart might even want to form like an equal bottom, so like this. Now I'm pretty much sure that we're having a divergence right here also. So let's check. Look at what I'm talking about right now. So we have this huge sell. Okay, price went back up but did not break that top. Price failed to close above where it started dropping from, then it went back and broke this low, then it started closing back up. So immediately you have seen price at that place. Okay, let me use this zone. You saw price closing again. Okay, right here you saw price closing again right here. You should have known that, oh, it seems there's a divergence about to happen here. So let's check with the RSI again. Let's see. So notice, if you can check closely, you will see that price is forming like an equal bottom or slightly a lower low something, or equal bottom. You understand? Can you see that? Now look at what is happening right here on the indicator. You can see that this is a divergence, higher low. Can you see that? So that is just how it works. Let me just take one more example. Okay, let's go to, like, let's say boom 1000 frame. Let's say we are going on the 4-hour time frame, or I don't know, let's just take the 4-hour time frame and let's see what we'll be having. So the one I can quickly spot, yeah, good, I can see one very fast. Now look at this nice bullish move. You can see this nice bullish move, right? It's where you can barely see red candles. Okay, now you see this nice bullish move. Now price retrace back, but failed to come and as low as this. Now price broke through this high. When price broke to this high, it won't go that far. Okay, when price breaks to the high, it will not go that far. Now you notice that price is beginning to look as if it's kind of like want to start falling and start closing near this high again. Just know that hey, that is a divergence that's about to happen. So we can just check. Let's just check the RSI or something. Let's check. We can also use the MACD to check. Okay, so now let's check this high. We have this high and this high, right? You can see higher high. Okay, so what are we having here? Let's check there. We have this high and this high. Can you see what I'm talking about? Now look at it. Now check the high. You can see it's on the indicator, lower high, higher high. As simple as that. So you don't need to wait for the indicator. The indicator might be giving you a low signal or something, you understand? Or it may lag and begin to give you false entry and something, but you should be able to spot it with your eye, like, oh, this is a divergence, I know it when I see it. You understand? So that's just how it works, guys. As simple as that. So there are many more examples. So even if it's not just about using RSI 5. Okay, let's just reset the RSI. Let's just reset it and let's see. You notice that you are still going to be having a divergence at that side. So let me show you. Look at this high. Okay, it's not just about maybe because I'm using RSI 5, so I've reset it now to default. You see, notice that you still have a divergence around here. Can you see that it's still a divergence happening? Look at it here. Can you see? And look at it lower. So even if you remove this and put your MACD, MACD, okay, so this is MACD, the default. Can you see you still have a divergence at that side? Can you see it? Look at what the price is doing. Okay, you can see that. Can you see that? So even if you put another indicator, you will still notice that you will still be having another divergence. So let's say we are using the awesome oscillator. Okay, let's just say we're using awesome oscillator, and let me use the 4. Okay, so let's check. Can you see that you still have a divergence around there? Look at it. You see that divergence? As simple as that, guys. That's how it works. That's just how it works. So let me take this out. That's just how it works, guys. So if you found value in this content, please kindly give this content a like, give this video a like, thumbs up, share it. Okay, and my number will be displayed on the screen, my WhatsApp number, in case you want to reach me, and my Telegram channel link in the description box below. So stay tuned, guys, as I will still bringing up new content. Okay, new content, new values to you guys. All right, guys. So catch you guys later. But by the way, we are still milking. So